The paper considers lecture demonstrations of phenomenon of a drop's jump from a solid unwettable support to weightlessness. The authors of the paper are Valery Vilgelmovich Maier, Ekaterina Ivanovna Varaksina, and Vladimir Alexandrovich Saranin. Let us demonstrate an experiment which shows how a flattened water drop lying on an unwettable support becomes weightless suddenly. To demonstrate the experiment, it is necessary to make a special table with a magnetic suspension and a pointed leg. In addition, 2 metal supports are needed. These supports must have slightly concave surfaces. We light a candle and cover the surface with salt. The supports are fixed on the table. We assemble the demonstration unit. For that, we set a tripod with a luminescent lamp. A diffusing screen of matted plexiglass is attached to the lamp. An electromagnet is fixed on the tripod. The electromagnet is connected to a battery with the help of wires with a switch. A container with sand is set under the electromagnet. A transparent scale is placed beside the screen. A camera is placed opposite the lamp. A mode of single-frame photography is selected. The table with the supports is suspended on the core of the electromagnet. We place water drops on the unwettable surfaces of the supports with the help of a syringe. We release the shutter of camera with one hand and de-energize the electromagnet with the other hand. The table falls and the water drops become weightless. In the first experiment, the velocities of drops with the volumes of 0.04 ml and 1 ml are compared. It is evident that the large drop moves approximately twice as fast as the small one. In the second experiment, drops with the volumes of 0.5 ml and 1 ml are used. It can be seen that the velocities of these drops relative to the table are close. The third experiment shows that natural period of a drop is proportional square root of the drop volume. We set a metal support on the left side of the table and a support with a thin spring on the right side of the table. Steel balls are placed on the supports. In the fourth experiment, we observe that during the transition to weightlessness, the balls jump up, but the right ball moves with a greater speed as the deformation of the spring is more than the deformation of the rigid support. In the paper, the experimental results are compared with the theory.